channel. Today we have a new question for you, integration. So integration I is equal to integration of x under the root divided by a cube minus x cube square root dx. Looking very difficult question, we 3 by. Now we can write this question in the form of square form. If we can write in here this question, so I is equal to under the root of x, and here we can write a 3 by 2 and square. So both are cancelled to each other according to the exponent rule. So we get the same term. Similarly, if we are doing here the 3 by 2 and whole square dx. So this term if we multiply, so we get x cube. Now we take the supposition using substitution, put x3 by 2 is equal to t. Now differentiating with respect to x, so we can write according to the power rule x3 by 2 minus 1 and dx is equal to dt. Now further we can simplify 3 by 2 and x, here we get 1 by 2 dx is equal to dt, and 3 by 2 we can write x under the root dx, because 1 by 2 we can write square root form. So in here dx and x under root is available, so we can do further steps. X under the root dx is equal to 2 by 3 dt. Now we substitute in this integration I is equal to, in the place of this term, so we put here 2 by 3 dt. In the place of this term we put here a 3 by 2 square minus, in the place of this one is t square. Now 2, so we take from outside the integration dt divided by a 3 by 2 square minus t square. So according to the integration formula, we have the formula r minus x square is equal to, here is dx, and sine inverse x by a plus c. According to this formula we can write this term sine inverse. According to this formula we can write this term I is equal to 2 by 3 sine inverse x a divided by x is here t divided by a 3 by 2 plus c. Now we put the result of, we have already put the result is substitution. I is equal to 2 by 3 sine inverse t. In the place of t we put here x3 by 2 and a3 by 2 plus c. Now further we can write this term I is equal to 2 by 3 sine inverse, and here x3 by and a by 3, and here 1 by 2 and common in both plus c. Further I is equal to 2 by 3 sine inverse x by 3 divided by a cube square root form we can write plus c is the answer of this question. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel.